What's going on, guys? I'm Anthony with Sandy Hook Yachts. I'm here with Nick.
Hey guys, how's it going? Nick Forte, Sandy Hook Yachts down in the Naples location. We're gonna be touring the 268 Commander. Why don't you guys come on and take a look?
All right, Nick, so we're at the aft tier of the 268 Commander. Why don't you tell me what this boat has to offer here back here?
All right, yeah, absolutely. So to start in the back, we got twin 200s, digital throttle, painted white, looks awesome. A few other cool options are we got the ski tow pylon bar, and then even we have a little insulated cooler here in the back. Easy boarding on and off, grabbing beverages as you get on and off the boat.
All right, Nick, so now we're up at the helm here. So why don't you show us what this boat has to offer up here?
So here at the helm, we start with our digital throttle, as I mentioned before, which is real smooth transition in and out of gear. We got our 10-inch touchscreen Garmin, wireless phone charger, upgraded audio, windlass control here at the helm as well. Basically everything really you need.
Yeah, Nick, so now we're up here at the bow seating of this 268 Commander, and I'm noticing how comfortable this is and how roomy it is. Why don't you tell us about it a little bit?
Yeah, so as you see, there's a ton of seating up here at the bow. You got your backrests that swing right out. Real comfortable while you're underway, folds right in, so if you ever want to fish it, you easily could. And then something really unique with the 26 is this size lounger. Really comfortable, really could fit even 2 people, and then even the storage that it offers underneath, quite impressive and unique for boat this size.
And then, Nick, this could also be a table as well in the middle, right?
Yeah, so it actually goes into 3 different uses. It's a filler cushion, so it really opens up the full lounge area. It could also be a casting platform, or you can just bring it up into a table entirely.
All right, guys, thanks for checking out this 268 Commander with us. Again, I'm Anthony with Sandy Hook Yachts, and this is Nick.